Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Mr. Derek from Brudders Art Club. Do you like pizza? Because I like pizza. And today, we get to draw a slice of pizza. But before we start, I want to give you guys a quick preview of our pizza slice that we're doing today. He is a lot of fun to do and really easy. And the best part is, towards the end, you guys can be super creative and add in your own toppings to your slice of pizza. Like always, we're gonna start with our pencils, we're gonna sketch everything out, and then I finished my pizza by coloring in with some colored markers, but you guys can use whatever you have at home. All right, so grab your pencils, and then we are gonna start somewhere in the middle of our page, and we're gonna do a nice size slice of pizza for our character. So on the left side, I'm gonna start about right here, and I am gonna just do my best line going at an angle. I'm gonna come down about this far. And then now when I come back up, I'm only gonna go about as far as I started up here. So I can even make a little mark where I'm gonna end up. You guys can do that too, just so you know where you're going. And then on this side, instead of making a straight line, I actually wanna make a little bit of a wavy line. This is gonna represent our cheese kind of on this side of our slice. So that wavy line was fun. So we're gonna go almost to the end, but I'm gonna leave a little gap. So I'm gonna mark just a little spot right there so I can see where I'm going. And I'm gonna do the same thing, a nice little wavy line just to represent our cheese. And this is my favorite part where cheese looks like it's melting off the slice. So we are gonna do this together. So I'm gonna come down, make a nice little wavy line, and then I'm gonna come right off my pizza. It almost looks like a big drip, like a water drip. And we're gonna come right back up like this, just to start. And then don't worry about the lines that we were going through. We're gonna erase those when we're done. So now you can see this is the cheese slice, and this is gonna be our dough underneath. And so we're gonna continue on as we're making our way down. And you guys can have a lot of fun with this. You can just do these nice little wavy lines, and then you can do another little cheese drip here coming off our slice. And I'm just gonna keep going all the way down, and I'm gonna do one big one at the end, and then just attach it right to my line. All right, and then we can just erase all those little lines right in the middle of our cheese that we drew earlier. Awesome. And now if you want to clean up this part, this is just going to be your crust. You can darken this in if you need to. You can also erase, now that you have those lines, you can put some new ones back in, but this is going to be the bottom of our pizza slice there. And then now I want to add in the crust. I love the crust. So that's always my favorite part. So we are going to start right here, actually where we started in the very beginning. And I'm going to just do a nice circle shape that comes up, around, and connect right into our corner of our cheese there. All right, now we're really starting to see the pizza. So we're going to do a nice wavy line, because crust is never really straight. And we're just going to do some really cool wavy lines. And then when I get to the end, I am just gonna curve like a big pizza crust into our pizza corner here. Wasn't that really cool? All right, we have our pizza. This is really cool. We have some melting cheese coming off. We have our crust. And then now I wanna go ahead and add in our facial features for our character, and then we can put all these little toppings right after that. So let's start with the eyes. So I am going to actually do some cheeks first. It's almost like the eyes are in the cheese. So I'm gonna do a little cheek here. And then I'm gonna attach a big circle shape going right into that cheek. All right, and then we're gonna do another cheek on this side. And then this time I'm gonna make my eye, it's the same shape, but just a little bit smaller. All right, he looks really goofy, which I like. I like this character. And then let's go ahead and put in the pupils. So for the small one, I'm actually gonna do a good size circle here, right on the right side of his eye. And then I'll color that in so you guys can see. And then for the big one, just to make it kind of fun, I'm actually gonna do a smaller pupil like this. Gives him a lot of character. And then I'll color that in and you guys can see. And then I'm gonna add in a nice big smile because he's happy because he's a pizza and I'm happy that I get to draw a pizza. So we're gonna do right under the eye. I'm gonna just start with a nice big smile going from one eye to the other. And I'm right underneath the cheeks. And then I'm gonna just curve the corner of the mouth and come down. And I'm gonna eventually come all the way around and curve back just like the other side. All right, and then let's add in a tongue. So we're gonna just do a little round shape here so we can see his little tongue in there. And if you want, you can add little teeth in there as well. That's totally up to you. I'm just gonna add a tongue for now. And then I'll just quickly, just so you guys can see, I'm gonna color this later, but I'll just shade this in. So you can see that his mouth's open and we can see a little tongue. All right, I like this guy. This is awesome. And then I'm gonna add in a couple of layers of toppings and I'm gonna show you those now. And then at the end, you guys can always add a little bit more. So I love pepperoni. So I'm gonna start with just some pepperoni slices. And then I'm gonna start maybe on this side and draw a circle shape, but just have it kind of running off our pizza. Almost like there was a full one here, but we just cut our pizza and this is part of the slice. I'll add another one over here. Maybe a little bit smaller. And then maybe I'll add one good size one here, nice circle shape. And then I'll add one more, a little one down here. And then you guys can get really creative with this. We can add different toppings even for the facial features. So let's say you like bell peppers or olives, totally up to you. We can use those almost for eyebrows too. So this could be a little piece of topping that looks like our character's eyebrows. And you guys can color that in like green or red. Maybe it could be a part of a tomato. And I'm gonna do another one on this side too. So you can be really creative with your pizza character. All right, well, that was a lot of fun. I loved being able to design a pizza slice and it was very easy. And I know you guys could definitely do that many times on your own. And again, you guys can add in any toppings you want. I still have some room, so I'm gonna add maybe a couple little more pieces of topping, but this is your pizza. You guys can design your toppings and the things that you like to put on your pizza as well. I'm excited to color this because I think it's really gonna bring our character to life. So remember, we're just gonna fast forward this part right now, but take your time, finish up your drawing, color it, and then I'll see you guys at the very end. Hey, you guys, we did it. We finished our pizza slice character, and look how happy this guy is. He's almost as happy as I when I get to eat pizza. I think he came out super cute, and I love that we got to add in our extra toppings on our pizza, and I hope you had a lot of fun with that. I got to add in the pepperoni, which I taught you guys how to do, plus I added in some green peppers, and I thought it really worked well with all the coloring that I did. I hope you guys had a lot of fun with this one, and remember, you guys can always pause the video right now. You can match some of the same coloring that I did, or you guys can obviously color it any way you want. Just remember to have fun.
Well, that's the end of our video. Thank you guys for always watching and drawing along with me today. I had so much fun drawing our little pizza guy, and I hope you had fun too. Looking forward to seeing you guys on the next video. So until next time, we'll see you later.